Hello teacher, hello friends. I am Zain Mahfouz. This is our project, me and my partner Lema. Our project is about patient management system. This project supports all the phone systems. This is the table of contents as you see. It includes introduction and our goal for this project. Actually, this project system aims to help doctors and patients and is designed to manage hospital activity. Also, we can see the advantages and disadvantages, and advantage is more than disadvantages. Here we go. The data model. There are four uh, data model: doctor and patient and system and user system. This is the entity relationship diagram. This user can be doctor or patient, as we see, or hospital system. This is the data flow, level 0. Level 0 includes general diagram of the data flow, but level 1 contains more details. Also, level 2 involves the high details. Also, it gives information about database and the operation, as we see there. This software model contains three types of diagrams: class diagram, use case diagram, and sequence diagram. Let's see. This is a class diagram, as you see there. Minus sign, it signs to the private attribute, as you see there. Plus sign signs to the public. Pound sign, as you see there, to the project attribute. This is sequence diagram. Sequence diagram refer to see the returns and requests, and we can see how it works in the photo, as you see there. Use case diagram. This is the general use case diagram, as you see there. As you see, the use case diagram shows the relationship between the actors and the processes between them. Let's continue with my friend.
Partner in this project. I will continue explaining about the project. As we see, this system organized and designed to deal with the day-to-day operation and management of the hospital activities. Program can look after patient records, database treatment, status illness, and it can solve a major problem that maybe will be exist in this field. Now, this scenario will explain simply the strategy of the system. In the first scenario, choosing doctor, when the patient install the application and go to login page, he must log in system and must fill patient form registration. It assumed that all medical specialized are present in the system. Also, system has a list of doctor names which are classified based on their specialized. The main actor in this scenario is patient because he will only uh, deal with the system in this scenario. After when the patient fill all the form registration, he will go to the list department page, and he will choose the department based on health status. If the patient cannot determine the symptoms of the disease, he will go automatically to press on automatic selection. After that, the system selects the doctor according to his or her information that was saved in the system. Main such scenario, the system saves the patient information in database. The patient is directed to booking page to book appointment with the chosen doctor. In second scenario, appointment booking. In this scenario, we will talk about choose a specified date. The main actor in the scenario patient. It assumes that hospital work for 5 days from Monday to Friday. Also, system save the other patient reservation, and the system displays a pre-booking or reservation calendar. When the patient determined the reservation, the date of reservation, he will appear if there is in this date reservation or not. If not, he will continue the process. If there is reservation, the patient sends an email through the system automatic respondent to specify urgent reservation. And this diagram explains shortly the process that exists above. In third scenario, payment type. Also, main actor in this scenario is patient. And the preconditions in this scenario is system have two payment options: payment with health insurance and normal payment. And system saves the information of reservation that make it above. And system increases the bill for urgent reservations that were booked through automatic respondent. If the patient is available in the health insurance system, the patient is asked to change the payment method. And another problem, if the patient is not able to pay with his credit card, it asked to change the payment information or connect with bank to solve the problem of rejection. This system can solve the major problems that maybe patient face it. And in this diagram, explain shortly the main information: system, patient, and system. This is the actor. In the first scenario, add reports. In this scenario, the main actor is doctor. The doctor will deal with the system only. As we said, Also, the doctor must log in the system. I will explain quickly because I don't have a long time. The successful condition in this scenario is adding all the reports. Reports mean the result test and uh, and adding medicine like this. And scenario extends. If the doctor couldn't see the test result that he wants to write, the patient's health status is is asked to write the problem in the below box to solve the problem in few minutes. And this service is very important to make the process more easily and more quickly. The main success scenario: doctor log in system successfully and adding all the information related to the patient health status after the examination. And all the added information appears to patient through his or her account in the system. And this point is very important. Doctor is directed to treatment plan page to add the medicines and the pro- procedures related to treatment. After adding all the reports, also this diagram, use case diagram, explain this scenario. Add treatment and prescription. The main actor in this scenario is doctor and patient, and the actor system, doctor and patient. It assumes that system save the information and report the doctor added above. And doctor has the ability of dating the patient appointment schedule according to their health priority. And final condition in this scenario is adding the medicines treatment plans. Problem: if the time of the added treatment plan face with time of the previous appointments, the doctor is asked to change the date or delete it. And this diagram explains the information. Actor and patient is the main actor. Also, in this scenario, system user dating, system user that have who have the ability of management all the information reports, all of this. Primary actor, system user, and system user. Precondition: it assumes that user system login to system. And this situation, I'll explain that. The patient and doctor and system user, all of these actors can log in and log out system and update the patient profile. Also, system user has ability of management reports. I see that test treatment. And the system user can edit and add data to the doctor account and the patient account if is necessary. Final condition: all the data system user add save it in system. Also, all the data that system user deleted from system. Scenario extends. If the system user cannot understand the problem was sent to him by system, whether the problem is related to the patient or doctor. And we say that in scenario that talk about ad reports, if the doctor face a problem, can send the problem in the box, and the problem will solve shortly. He just need to press on connect button, and he is asked if he want to connect with phone number or with message. And in this diagram, I explained about the scenario main actor. Also, in scenario 7, editing reservation. Also, this scenario important in this system. The primary actor, patient, and system user. And actor, system user, patient. It assumes that system user has ability of management reservation schedule. And the system supports the feature of the changing date of reservation through system automatic respondent or by calling directly to system user. Yes, I said that in the in the second scenario maybe. Main success scenario determine the reservation according to the data on system, delete the previous reservation and adding a new reservation, save all the changes are made by system user. The problem here, if the appointment specified by the patient is faced with the prior reservation date, the system user asks the patient to go to the emergency page and to press the quick connect contact for connecting with doctor to set uh, another appointment according to the severity of health condition is decided by the doctor. This service is very important. It's very important in this system. It will be this service. It will be save a lot of patient life. Sorry. This diagram explain the information that I talked about: main actor, system user, and patient. And here the risk table, I put it with saying according to this project, and timetable with the grantee diagram. User interface model. I will say something important about this. Login page. User can make login of the doctor, patient, and hospital receptions. Okay. Patient information. When I said if yeah, that I explain it in first scenario, when I said if the patient cannot determine the symptoms of disease, the system will be choose automatically. Will be choose automatically by this information. Here, select symptoms of disease. The system will select or choose the doctor exactly by these symptoms. Also, this service is very important. Is very important in this system. Home page for the patient. Yes, medicine. Uh, section page. Patient can choose the doctor for making everything. Yes, this medicine or treatment, can the doctor add this information on patient account? doctor logout, yes, and this is login for doctors. Test patient history. You can search for the patient by name. Yes, search by name page. Yes, doctor section. Okay, add patient edit and delete page. Yes, the interface for this service. Test result. Yes, this test result help the doctor to determine the health status for the patient. Sign out page. Yes, sign out for the application. And that's all. Thanks very much.